Welcome to Geetu Divine Touch Palmistry classes. In this video, I'm going to explain you about different lines on the hand. And before starting this class, we should understand that names are given to fingers. This finger is called, the first finger, index finger is called the finger of Jupiter, and mount below this finger it is called mount of Jupiter. Saturn finger, mount of Saturn. Then Apollo finger or sun finger, mount of Apollo, mount of sun. Then this is Mercury finger, mount of Mercury. Now this mount which is below the thumb, it is called Venus mount. This is called moon mount, negative Mars and positive Mars. Now on paper I'll explain you about these mounts. Also I'll explain you stars and cross on different parts of the hand. Fingers are divided into three parts: first phalange, second phalange, third phalange. So we are going to study how the stars on these phalanges, what qualities do they give to the person. If the person has cross or star on the second phalange of Jupiter finger or on the first phalange of the Saturn finger. On paper I'm going to explain you about these mounts, lines, stars and cross. Also different types of headlines, different types of line of heart, different types of line of life, and varieties in what combinations are possible. So all this we are going to discuss in this video. In this video, let us understand different lines. So the line which starts from the bottom of Mercury line, this becomes heart line, and the one which starts from below the index finger, this becomes lifeline. Any line below this lifeline, it becomes line of Mars. So basically, line of heart, this line, it deals with emotions, sentiments, it deals with feelings. Then there's line of head, which starts from here, and sometimes it is connected with line of life, or it's at distance from line of life. So this is line of head. This line decides how much logical the person is, how much practical he is in his thinking. Then there is line of fate, which starts from bottom of the hand towards the Saturn finger. This is called line of fate. This line decides career and prosperity. Then there is line of life. This deals with longevity and health. The long life up to wrist, it indicates a lengthy life, long life. Then there is line of sun, the line which starts from the bottom of the hand towards the Apollo finger. This is Apollo finger. So this line, it is called line of sun. It deals with success, art, basically career, name, fame. Then there is line of Mercury. Any line which is ending at mount of Mercury, it becomes Mercury line. This line deals with business, intelligence and health. Then there are 7 minor lines. There is line of Mars. So we just discussed this one, which is inside the line of life, and it indicates good health. Then there is Via Lascivia. So via lascivia is basically near the wrist in this shape, and this indicates the lower instincts of the person. Then there is a girdle of Venus, which is from index finger to Mercury finger. This semicircular shape is called girdle of Venus. It indicates emotions and sexual feelings. Line of travel we'll find on the mount of Moon. So this is line of travel. Line of intuition, that is inner voice. So it will be same like this Mercury line, only it will be little bent. So this is line of intuition. Then line of marriage below the Mercury finger. Okay, these lines are called line of marriage. So 3 lines means 3 marriages, and number lines crossing these marriage line indicates number of children. So 1 line on this meaning 1 child from this marriage. This is how the lines are studied in palmistry. Welcome to Geetu Divine Touch palmistry class. In this video, I'm going to explain you star and cross on the hand. So if there is star on the mount of Jupiter, so this is mount of Jupiter, and on this if there's a star like this, so it means the person will get honor, fame, wealth and marriage. So person will be highly respected in the society, meaning his Jupiter is very good, Jupiter planet, which will give him name, fame, and which will give him wealth as well. Now if there's star on the first phalange of Jupiter finger, this is Jupiter finger, this is first phalange, this is second, and this is third. So if there's star here in the first phalange of Jupiter, so this is the star on the first phalange of Jupiter, it means he's going to travel a lot. There'll be a lot of traveling connected to career, connected to social life, because Jupiter loves social life and Jupiter loves to exceed in career. Now if there's star on the negative mount of Mars, so there are 2 mounts of Mars. This is positive mount of Mars and this is negative mount of Mars. And if there is star here on the negative mount of Mars, meaning he will get respect in military, army, navy, and he'll get respect there in the military, army, navy, police. So strict Mars, star on the strict Mars basically. Now star at the base of mount of Venus. So this is Venus mount below thumb, and this is mount of Moon. If there's star on the mount of Venus, meaning he'll be very successful in love affairs and also in marriage. If there is cross, okay, one more star is there on Mercury. This is mount of Mercury. Mercury is for communication, and if there is a star there, that means unexpected luck will be there. because Mercury is good for business. Cross on the second phalange of Jupiter. If there is cross here, so this cross on second phalange of Jupiter, he'll have rich friends, good friends. And if there is cross on the mount of Jupiter, if there is cross here, so this cross means happy married life. Cross in the quadrangle under the mount of Saturn. So under the mount of Saturn, this is mount of Saturn, and here there is a cross. Quadrangle means between heart line and between lifeline. This is heart line, this is lifeline. So here there is a cross of Saturn, cross under the mount of Saturn. So meaning he will have fortunate life, he will have lucky life, and he'll be very good in occult. So I hope you all will like this video.